Hi, did you order Uber?
Yeah, I did.
Hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. You ordered Uber Black, huh?
I did. I love your car.
Thank you. I just got it.
Yeah?
Yeah, you know.
Oh, that's so cute.
I did it because it's you get paid more for doing Uber Black. Yeah, I get like 200 a day. I'm not trying to brag, but like I make pretty good money.
That's awesome. And what do you do? Like, do you have a girlfriend or something that you like pay for?
No, I mean I don't. Unfortunately, I don't get out much because I just drive all day long.
Really?
Yeah, I drive
Oh my
7 days a
God.
week. Yeah.
Stop it.
I mean, I gotta. You know, I'm trying to hustle. I'm trying to
Yeah.
trying to escape the matrix.
I feel like you're really lonely. Do you want like, you want to like be in a relationship or something and pay?
With you?
Yeah, would you?
Like you want to be friends or something?
Yeah, and like you can pay for my stuff. You can send me an allowance.
Wait, what?
What do you mean?
You send you an allowance?
Yeah.
What are you talking?
I know, we can have fun and then you can send me money.
Wait, what do you mean send you an allowance? That's like a kid thing. Like you get your kids an allowance.
No, I'll be like your sugar baby.
Are you serious?
You're
joking. You're joking.
It looks like you're making a lot of money, and I would love to keep you company.
You probably do this with a bunch of other guys.
Oh no, you're special.
So I'd be the only one?
You'd be the only one.
And what would we do?
Anything you want. You just have to pay me $1,000 a month.
$1,000 a month?
Yeah.
For what? What do I get? What are my benefits?
Anything you want.
Anything? So nothing's off limits.
Mm-mm.
Back door?
Yep.
Oh!
Mm-hmm.
I mean, nobody has to know.
Nobody has to know.
So we can do like,
But then if you want backdoor, that's like $2,000 a month.
I can't afford back door. I'll just do, what do I get for like $100 a month?
Nothing. That's poor. You're poor.
I'm an Uber driver. What do you expect?
You're right. You're probably poor.
Go to like Boa's Steakhouse if you want to meet like a rich guy.
Yeah, I mean, I really thought that because you had whatever car you have. I don't even know what brand it is.
It's a Mercedes.
Okay.
It's for Uber Black.
That's why. You just have it for Uber Black.
Well, yeah, it's a work car. What do you mean? It's a business.
You know what? Never mind. You look too broke for me. Never mind.
You get out of here.
Never mind.
Get out of my car.
Mind. You look broke.
There's a gas station over there.
I can find someone with a Lambo.
Oh yeah, I'm sure you can.
Yeah, and not that as ugly.
Yeah, we're in Miami, so just walk outside.